Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off Microsoft News on the Microsoft Edge new tab page. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Microsoft Edge here, and as you can see, whenever I open up any new tab, guys, you will notice that it is showing the news here, right? And as you can see, I scroll along, there's a bunch of different news here. And all you have to do, guys, in order to get rid of all of these news feeds is simply click on the page settings on the upper right hand side, and here you see show feed. So if you click on turn off or off there, you realize that those news feed simply disappear. And that's all. You can go ahead and turn off news feeds or Microsoft News on your Microsoft Edge browser. Guys, very easy and very simple. If you find this useful, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. I also want to mention is that if you're using a different version of Microsoft Edge, you might not see feed, but you might see something like content, and you can just click on that and you can just simply click content off, and you will be able to turn off the content here, similar just like this one. So if you see show feed, click on this, toggle it off. If you see content, click on that and then click content off, and it will do the same thing. So very useful, guys. I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.